Okay, as some of you, oh, ooh, I'm too excited. Ooh, what's going on? Zoom out. Oh, yeah, it's your girl ShauntéShaunté, and today, okay, so I don't know, a lot of you guys know, my friends know that I'm obsessed with Chipotle, and then my other friend Anna, she sent me this link to Elf and Chipotle collaboration, and you know I had to get that right away. I had to sign up and get that early. So I got me two, one for me and one for my friend. And here it is. And I'm gonna be swatching it. So there it is, upside down. I'm so excited. Why am I so... Okay. So I don't have any eyeshadow on. So I'm literally just gonna be putting on these on my skin so you guys can see how it looks on my skin color. It doesn't smell like anything, but it does say lettuce, guac. It has all the names of the stuff in there. I don't see no chicken here though. I don't see no carnitas. I don't see no sour cream. I don't see no cheese. I wouldn't like these things in my bowl, but I'm still excited, okay? So oh, and y'all, okay, since we got some guac action, I got my avocado socks on. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, avocado socks. Okay, so let's take this plastic off and get to swatching. Without the plastic. So honestly, I think I'm going to swatch it on my hand first, because my afro, I don't think you guys will be able to see. But I'm gonna try one on my eye to see if it's cool, and if it's cool, I'll continue. So we have 12 shades, so I could put 6 on each eye. I'm gonna start with the lettuce. It's a nice olive green. But when it's stacked, it gets brighter. I like that. These are cool, calm summer colors. Came out with this in the perfect time. I'm gonna try the guac on the same eye so that you guys can see how the greens look together. Whoop, oh God, I can look in my mirror. I feel like I'm starting something. This could be a look. So now, right next to that, I'm gonna do another green one, which is the green salsa. Get a good dip of that. So we have green salsa and guac. Hope you can tell the difference. Green salsa complements my skin tone because it has like brown mixed in with like speckles of green and a brown. So I'm gonna put the hot salsa in between because I have another yellowy tone coming up, so I need something to dilute it a bit. So I'm gonna put that hot salsa in between, see what that looks like. That's such a cute color. That's such a cute orangey reddish color. Chipotle! I'm about to walk in Chipotle like Chipotle! So now I'm gonna do the corn salsa, which is the shiny yellow one. Ooh, looks so cute.
Of course it's not focused.
These colors are lit. This is a good palette for carnival, low key. I like that. Next we got mild salsa. I'm running out of space on my eye. I'm gonna squeeze it like right in there. There goes mild. So now we're moving over to the muted side of the palette. I like how they mix natural with fire, like pop colors. So this is literally a palette. It's already seeming as though all you need is this one palette when you go on vacation, because you got your crazes and you got your mutes. So I'm gonna go to sofritas. I never tried the sofritas. I'm a meat girl. Sorry. I'm gonna put the sofritas on the outer corner. Zoom in. I don't know why I didn't do that before, I'm sorry. But this is sofritas. You can't really see it on my skin. It just looks like shiny on me. Just looks like brown glitter. I'm gonna have me some pinto beans. I don't eat beans because I poop 5 minutes after. So we got some pinto. Some pinto right next door to the sofritas. Nice natural brown. Then we're heading over to more poop. Black beans. Sofrito, pinto, black beans. I'm gonna do white rice, brown rice, then fajitas. My favorite fajitas. Can't have Chipotle without the fajitas. White rice. Pretty straightforward. It's just like a creamy white brown rice, which doesn't look too far off from white rice. So let's see how they look next to each other. This does look like Chipotle's brown rice. And fajitas! Ooh, looks purpley. Awesome. Looks like a purpley white glitter with, when you move, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it turned from purple to bluish. But these are all the colors. I'm gonna do a quick swatch on my hands so you guys can see it better, just in case this didn't help. Here are the swatches on my wrist. I really enjoyed this palette, so check it out if you can. I think this is gonna be my summer palette. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you like these, and I'll do more.